Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
In the second video today, guys, let's take a look again on the gold as usual. So you can see our suggestion that gold should keep going higher, it seems, has worked properly. So indeed, once we've got the grabber and the spike and completion of some bullish patterns on the hourly chart that we discussed within the previous two sessions, gold has skyrocketed. So the potential background for that is, a bit flat performance of the interest rates, so they are not moving higher, just stands in a sideways action, that is, have given the room to breathe for the gold market. And second is geopolitical tensions that is rising actually, and that supports the gold dynamic and demand for the gold market. So currently, it's really big achievement for the gold market because take a look at the overall swings construction here, structure of the swings. So actually on 1830 we had the last major 618 resistance area with this recent downside action. So market currently has broken it up. So in fact, between the current area and this top, we do not have any fib levels. So yes, we have some targets, extensions. Here, as you can see, in our bot area, it's around 1860, but no fib levels. From this top to this bottom, we also do not have any fib levels because all of them have been broken with this swing. And it means that, in fact, between current price and the top, we do not have any fib levels at all. So this is just the question of how market will show what the shape of the price will be depending on what the performance of the interest rate. So it's not the question of the resistance levels currently, guys. It's mostly just extensions and how market responds to behavior of the other markets that it relates to. It's dollar index and interest rates. So, but currently its overall performance looks positive. And we do not see any reasons to start searching chance to go short or something of that sort, because recall that on the weekly chart, that's we discussed every time in the weekly report, with this period we have multiple grabbers as well that suggest the taking out of this top. So currently the most recent grabbers have been completed. This market has broken through the 1830, but we also have other grabbers have been previously formed and that are still valid that suggest the taking out this top as well. So that's why we just keep going with this scenario and going step by step with the targets and possible retracements that we intend to use. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, next destination point. So here we actually have few patterns. Let's consider step by step. First of all, as you can see, market started perfectly with this pattern that we have discussed. No another drop was needed, and it was really nice performance. So if we consider this part of this reverse head and shoulders that we discussed as a butterfly, so market hits the first 1.7 extension, it's 1844. But since this action stands very fast with acceleration, it means that after some minor pause, market should proceed higher. So next destination point on the 4-hour time frame chart, by using this ABCD pattern inside of this actually channel on the daily chart, this one ABC bottom D pattern, right? Stands around 1860, which is actually daily overbought in the current level, and it's also 1618 extension of the same butterfly. Besides, as you will see a bit later on the hourly chart, the target of the hand and shoulders also has not been quite reached yet. So it also suggests that some upward continuation here should happen as well. So this is next target on the 4 time frame chart. On the hourly chart, that is the targets based on the hand and shoulders. OP is 1852. Since the OP has not been reached as well, it means that here the pullback should be not very significant. I suppose that maybe 30% or retesting of this top 1830. This was very important level for the market. So market theoretically could retest the 1830 before upward continuation, but retracement should be not very strong. In the current circumstances and with the price behavior market mechanics, it suggests no big retracement. So because market just started the extension, it is not even has completed the first stage of the extension. That's why on an extension mode, retracement usually very small. So the reaction on this butterfly target hardly will be very significant. So that's what about the next OP. It actually stands right between these two extensions. XOP with the hand and shoulders will be around 1880. So it's even higher than this target. And 8080, it's challenging of the previous top that we actually suggest that market also should take it out. That's why, as you can see, currently none of these targets seems as impossible. But let's go step by step. Now we're watching for a minor pullback, then moving to 1850. This will be next swing that should follow on the gold market.